Welcome to how to download Instagram audio in iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to download Instagram audio in iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Instagram and then you will open up any reel. Okay, so let's suppose that if I wanted to download audio from this reel here. Okay, so how I can do this, I will open up this reel and I will tap on these three dots and I will basically copy its link. Okay, so we need to copy the link, so there should be link here. So what I will do here is I will tap on this share option and here you can see link. Tap on link, then I will open browser and then I will search here download IG reels audio. Okay, and then here it says Instagram audio downloader, convert videos and reels to mp3. Tap on it. Okay, and then paste the link, tap on download and it will fetch that specific reel, and here is the reel. Close the ad, and now what you're gonna have to do here, just simply tap on this option where it says download audio and the audio will be downloaded. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the